In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a list in Clickup in just 5 minutes. Clickup is a fantastic tool that many of us use to manage tasks, projects, and entire workflows, and knowing how to efficiently duplicate lists can save you a lot of time indeed. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go directly to Clickup's website. It's referred to as the Everything app for work for a reason, offering a multitude of features tailored for productivity. Once the page has loaded, look towards the top right hand corner for the login button. Give it a click to proceed. You'll now be greeted with several options to log in. For simplicity and quick access, we recommend clicking on the Sign in with Google option if you have your Clickup account linked this way. Just click, select your Google account and sign in. It's as simple as that. Having logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Clickup dashboard with your workspace and lists in view. Navigate to the specific list you'd like to duplicate. This might be a task list, project board, or any other list type you have set up. Once you spot the list, look for 3 small dots often referred to as the More Options button, typically located on the list's header or side. Click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From that drop-down, you're going to select the Duplicate option. This functionality allows you to create an exact copy of your chosen list, preserving all tasks and configurations. After selecting Duplicate, a pop-up window will appear asking you to name your new list. At this point, I'd recommend giving it a clear, descriptive name, especially if it's part of a large workspace, to help your team easily identify it later on. You can skip naming now, but it does help keep things organized. Once you've input the name for your new list, you'll click the Duplicate button again to finalize the process. With just a couple of clicks, you've successfully duplicated your list, making it ready for use or further customization. This is particularly useful if you want the same structure for a different project, client, or team without having to start from scratch. That wraps up our tutorial on how to effortlessly copy a list in Clickup. Remember, utilizing features like this helps streamline your workflow and ensures productivity remains high. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your productivity tools. See you next time.